Welcome to another episode, guys. We are leaving Annapolis, so we still haven't left from our last episode, but we are packing up right now, and we are getting ready to head a very short distance just over to DC, where we're going to stay a week to check out all the things going on in DC. But first, we got to do a few things before we pack up. So this guy right here is the Nautilus system. So this is the freshwater and then the blackwater backflow. These are plastic, so what people were telling us is, obviously the plastic will wear out, especially with like metal fixtures. So what I did here was I put an elbow in, and then we're just going to attach the hose to the elbow so that we've got metal to metal connection, lasts a lot longer. Then we're not putting a lot of work into this thing, because these things wear out. On our old camper, we had one wear out. It was on the outside of the camper. It wasn't too hard to replace, but still a pain in the butt. So I just bought this guy. So it's metal, but it has a plastic fitting here. It'll wear out, but it's better that this wears out than this wears out, because then I got to take this whole panel apart. So we're going to install this right now, which is super simple. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. All right. I'm sure we'll have to tighten that up. But now the black hose back flush can just go, oops, that's the wrong end. Where's the right end? There it is. That can just go like that. And then we save ourselves some wear and tear on this guy. So there's that. But while I was flushing this out this morning, doing the black tank, which, sticky poo-poo tank, Jen informed me that there was water in the bathroom. And sure enough, there's a little bit of water along the wall. So there's some kind of leak. I don't know if there was too much pressure or something like that. All right, so we're in the bathroom. And right along this back wall, you can see there's a little bit of water. So we're gonna have to figure that out, because we don't want poo-poo water coming back into the house. That's definitely a no-no. So that's just the fun with new campers, is figuring out where the leaks are, because there is always leaks. Put you on camera.
Almost done cleaning enough to the next campground.
I know, you guys are cleaning super early.
Great, everybody get outside and go help Daddy outside.
This campground has a lot of weird rules, so I'm excited to get to know it.
Oh, you don't like the rules at this place. So you ready to get to the next one?
You can throw rocks on the bounce pad, but you can't do flips or be there with a, adult.
You probably can't throw rocks either. It's probably a safety issue on both.
I mean, they just watched them.
Yeah. So the kids are all packed up. So you see the stairs go up here on Cooper's bed.
TV goes in mine.
So it's a little messy, but everything gets compressed in and nothing can move around. So that's good. All right. Let's get to the next place. I nearly hit the sign coming out. It was a little close. Still getting used to driving the camper. That would have really, really made me mad if we had just clipped that sign and put a new scratch and dent in the side of our camper.
All because I was in here to help you watch.
Yeah, what were you saying?
What? I was wondering, I heard you pause down there.
No, when we were getting ready to pull away, you were saying it still feels so new that feels like we're forgetting something.
Every time we lock up, and even though we do a walk around, I still feel like we're missing stuff.
Yeah.
We're not doing stuff, but I know we are.
Well,
and we're doing frequent walk arounds, so that's not it. It's just new still.
The last time we moved, we were driving down the road, and I looked up, and our kitchen door was wide open, and we lost a 12-pack of sodas out of our fridge while we were doing 50 miles an hour. So nothing happened to the door, but it was definitely an eye-opener that somebody had opened up the kitchen and did not lock it properly before we left. So now we're a little freaked out.
Even though there's 4 locks on it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we're on our way to our next location. It's only about 30 minutes away,
it's 26 miles, but
says the interwebs.
Yeah, in DC time, that's probably a good hour, probably.
Yeah, so we got kicked out of our campground at 11. The next one doesn't open until 12. I'm sure we can milk it to get there on time and checked in maybe a little early. So short hop.
Yes, short today because we were over here for the
bump. That's a giant speed
and now
bump.
we're moving closer to DC, so we can do DC this coming week.
Yeah. All right, we got in. We're having lunch. Where'd you get these beef empanadas from?
The Jamaican ones, they're from Trader Joe's.
These are Jamaican Trader Joe's beef empanadas, and they're delicious.
I haven't even had one because you eat them all the time, and then I never get them.
And
now Bryce has discovered that he likes them, so I never get to eat them.
She's never gonna get one.
I'm not. I'm gonna
Our
find
kitty
a Trader
disappeared.
Joe's and get like 20 of them.
Yeah.
Because they're like super easy, quick lunch.
I hear that. All right, we got the Starlink set up, water, sewer, electric.
Everybody's eating.
Everybody's eating. We're ready to go.
You spilled beef down
We got
your
some.
shirt?
That's a leaf.
Oh.
That's a leaf. That's not food.
Yeah,
That's a leaf.
You didn't bring the whole packet in?
We're heading to IKEA to get some storage containers for under Bryce's bed.
No, we're not opening right now.
We're going to Spirit Halloween to get the kids some decorations. You don't decorate children. you put them in costume. Some
like
costumes.
decorating them, right?
It is. It totally works. It's fine. And then we're gonna go check out DC. I think.
Maybe, yeah.
Maybe. Who knows?
You see him?
All right, guys. We're on the hunt. Oh, he's on the ceiling. There he is. Got him. We got him.
Did you get him?
We got him.
Okay. Good job.
Can we show Jen?
I'm dressed.
All right, bye, little bug. Fly free. No, don't come back right in the house. He almost came right back in the house. Those beetles, I'll tell you what, they stink if you squish them or make them angry. So we try to gently catch them and release them outside, but they just keep coming back in. So I happen to know there's one behind our couch right now because I tried to get him earlier and he fell down there.
There's one.
I don't know when the season ends for these things, but we're ready to have them gone.
There's another one.
They're everywhere. Wait, focus on the buggy bug. There we go. Those guys. Luckily, that one's outside. Okay, what'd you see?
A praying mantis. He's looking at you. Daddy. Thinking about attacking.
He was attacking the phone. That was pretty interesting. He was very interested. Look how interested he is.
Domino art by Bryce.
Guys, it's Jen and I's 17th anniversary, wedding anniversary, and I booked tickets to the Navy-Houston game. And now the kids don't want to go because the campground's so much fun. So now, instead of being all together on our anniversary, I'm actually taking Bryce to the football game, and Jen and the kids are staying here at the campground so they can do trick-or-treating and have fun with friends and stuff.
Is everybody ready for a t-shirt? All right, here they go.
Hey, no, I actually got some.
Now you got a Navy shirt to wear.
Oh God, my hands are.
All those Navy.
Oh, Coco.
No goats, no glory.
That's pretty fun.
That was pretty fun. Why did you do it again? Do it again.
That hurt. It hurt though.
It did?
But I thought I was going all the way down.
Yeah. Is that why you bailed?
Yeah, I hit something. She also hit it. I wasn't at it.
What other stadium can you sled inside the stadium? Well, sled's a dubious term, but check this out.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for the starting lineup for today's game between your Navy Midshipmen and the Houston Cougars. Brought to you by Gatorade.
I don't know where I last left you. It's been chaotic. It was Jen and I's anniversary yesterday. I went with Bryce to the Army-Navy game, not Army-Navy, Navy-Houston game. Then we had, anniversary stuff to just relax and chill. It's now moving time. I tried to pump up the tires because it got cold, and the Wawa free pump would not pump the tires in the truck, so I just got this guy. And that is a DeWalt air inflator that'll work with our batteries that we already have for the drills and stuff. So I got to get that set up, pump up our tires. I think I'll probably have to pump up the camper tires too because they're low because of the really cold weather. I've got lap sealant that I need to put on our leaky roof because it's supposed to rain this afternoon. We got a lot to do. All right, this guy's pretty handy. So this screws in, which is a nice feature. So you don't have to hold it. And then we just dial to the PSI for the tire. While we're doing that, we're also flushing the black tank. So got the black tank hose in, and we're flushing out that tank, which is gross. Oh, it stopped. Hey, look at that. It goes over by 0.3, so when you disconnect, you're right there where you need to be. Not bad. Whew. I think we got almost everything done. I got the tires pumped up on the truck, but not the camper. We got the camper mostly put away. Uh-oh, kitty.
And the windows are open. We should close them, Dad.
Jen left the windows open on the truck and the cats are in there. So the cats are gonna get out. We're a mess this afternoon. Where's the keys? No keys. All right, well, Jen took the keys apparently. I can't put the windows up, guys. All right, keys. All right, keys. Woo! One disaster at a time, guys. We were also talking to our neighbors because they're really cool and we love them, and hopefully we'll meet back up with them. But we're just go this morning, so we wanted to talk to them as much as possible, but we were like, time to go. I think we're past time, actually.
See, I knew it.
Did we just dent our fridge? Probably.
I didn't do it hard enough. So.
Always something.
There's somebody.
It does come in really close.
Yeah. I usually put it all the way. I usually put it under the sink.
All right. So now you're gonna do awning.
Somebody slide.
Hello.
Hi.
You're up close.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, we don't want the fan going.
No.
All right, the awning's coming in.
Daddy, it's raining. Are we almost home?
All right, put the slide in. It's raining. Yeah.
Where does this go? Can you help us
Just
do that?
hold on to it. Put it in the back of the truck.
It's sprinkling. Someone get that rain jacket. We hurry up and get it done, then we don't have to.
All right. It is 10 after we're supposed to leave, and we're not gone yet, but we're really close, and nobody's come by to complain yet, so they usually give you a little bit of leeway. But, oh, there's Bryce. Anyway, I think that's all for this episode. If it's not, then I'll just edit this, but thank you for making it this far in our video. Next week, I don't even know where we're going today, so I can't tell you where we're going to be next week. But we still have some more projects to do. I didn't get everything done I needed to get done this week. I think I have to call a welder to finish off the JT strong arms because we didn't get the back ones on. Threading it just like didn't work, and after talking to some people, it just seemed like welding was the right way to go. So I'm gonna find a local welder, get them to come out and weld 2 brackets on, and then I think we're done with the strong arms. Hopefully those make a big difference. I think they have in the forward to back motion, but now we're doing the side to side is what we have left, and that's really our big problem. So anyway, thank you for watching. See you next week.